Good morning, planner friends, and happy Friday. It's New Release Friday here at DEK, and this is Dawn. I'm standing in for Emily, who is out ill. We have a couple of new kits and some functionals for you today. The first kit is called, I have to look, Fresh Arrangements. Sorry, bad memory. We have the Happy Planner Classic size that we're showing here today in gold foil. This is your full boxes and your flag checklist, your half boxes, quarter boxes, bill dues, habit trackers, your ombre checklist and weekend banner, your washi. This is your bottom washi. It is in 2 strips and then some other little foil washi strips, date covers, sidebar, and some labels here. Your little things and headers, your glitter headers, and deco. This is the deluxe kit, which is 6 sheets. Our standard kit would be the first 4. So the first 4 sheets is for the standard. We also have this listed unfoiled, and I believe we're going to start to try to do that for all of our kits, have them both foiled or unfoiled. So the format is the same, just a little less bling, and this is the unfoiled version. And that's the Happy Planner Classic size unfoiled. This is the personal size. Our next kit is called Home Sweet Home. Again, this is Happy Planner Classic size gold foil. This is your deco boxes. This is a great kit. I would use this to transition into fall. Nice earth tone colors. Love the navy blue. It's a very pretty kit. Your checklist, weekend banner, half boxes, quarter boxes, your bottom washi, date covers, sidebar, flags, labels, your headers and little things, your glitter washi and deco. And that was Home Sweet Home. We also are listing this in the non-foil. Same exact format, just no foil. Okay. We have some new foil bow half boxes, and we have added 5 new colorways to the website. And those are added for all existing listings as well. So your doilies, your foiled functionals, your open hearts, your bows, your pretty bows, all those will have the new colorway options on the listings. I am loving these boxes. I used these this week in my planner and just loved them. This colorway is Millie in gold foil. This is Desert Rose in rose gold. This is Vintage Pastel in rose gold. And this is Dragonfly in rose gold. Very pretty, very pretty. We have, I believe, a total of 18 colorways on our website, so you're bound to find something that will coordinate with existing kits that you have. So these are 4 of the new 5 colorways. And I'm just gonna lay these out for you. This is Home Sweet Home. And Fresh Arrangements. Those are the new releases for this week. Hope everyone has a lovely Friday and fantastic weekend. And we thank all of our customers and appreciate you. And I will see you next time. Thank you.